How's it going, everybody? My name is Turo and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to install an aftermarket exhaust to your Peugeot Kisbee. You can also apply this for any 4-stroke scooter. It's really easy. You're gonna need some basic tools and only a few minutes of time. Let's get right into it. Now we want to start off by removing the old exhaust. It is held on by these two bolts right here, and also from the cylinder. So I'm gonna open up those and we can take this old exhaust right off. Now I got the first bolt loose, so we can move on to the next one. Now the second one is also off, so we can move on to the cylinder bolts. Now the exhaust bolts are on these studs. This one right here, and there is another one behind that exhaust pipe, but now I got them off, so I can just try to wiggle out this old exhaust. Okay, it's held on by there, so I have to open up that too. So now I can take this exhaust off. Let's see. Yep. This is so heavy. You can also lose some weight by changing the lighter, not so restricted exhaust. Let's put it on. So when mounting this new pipe, the first thing you want to do is to put that side on first, and after that you can hook up this first bolt and it will stay on, and then you can put on the second one and then tighten it from the exhaust port or the cylinder. Now that you have everything tight, you can just fire up your bike. You can also check if your carb needs adjusting, but I think the stock jet should be fine for this pipe. Let's fire her up. Now that it has warmed up a bit, the revs aren't that high, and I think it sounds pretty good. Of course you can't hear the real sound from the video, but I think this pipe is really good sounding. I will link it down into the description. And if you think it's too loud, you can always install the included decibel killer, and it will be a lot quieter. Alright, so it's the time for the test ride. I will show also a clip with the decibel killer in, so you can hear how it sounds. Let her warm up a bit. As you can see, there is my Aprilia. It's about to get powder coated and sandblasted, and well, I'm gonna rebuild it during the winter. So with this pipe you won't get much more speed, maybe 1 or 2 kilometers per hour more, but at least it will sound awesome. It is nice to ride with good sounding bike. I prefer this over the usual vacuum cleaner sound. Oh, nice pops. yeah, this is so good pipe. Oh, what was that? It's a bit loud, but as I said, you can install the decibel killer so it won't be that loud. Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess you should adjust the carburetor because, as you can hear, if your exhaust backfires, it means it's not properly tuned. But small backfire doesn't hurt your bike. So, I'm not entirely sure, but I wanna do a 100cc project on this scooter during the winter, but it highly depends on how much money I have, because as you know, projects are not free. But I would love to do a 100cc kit installation to this scooter. Oh damn. Wonder which has better sounds, this scooter or that car.